folks, welcome back to What's for Supper Wednesday. Today what we're going to be making is garlic butter chicken thighs. Now we got these on sale this week, $5.86 and then $6.05. We caught them on sale, so we thought we'd make some. But what we'll need is chicken thighs, and then we're going to try this Grill Mates Mesquite seasoning. And then we'll need the garlic and the butter. And I gotta go get a thing of chicken stock from the can house after we get it a searing. But let's get started. Alright, I'm just gonna take the seasoning here. Now I'll be seasoning both sides, but that ain't hardly coming out. What I was saying, I'm going to season it on the skin side first. I'll be searing it skin side down first. And after I get it in the pan, I'll season the other side. Just get it all seasoned up. Hopefully you can see that. Alright, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to sear it. Now I'll be putting the seasoning on the other side before I turn it over. Do 6 at a time. I'll be doing it for 5 minutes on each side. Now I'm going to get my seasoning. I'll go back over it there. I took the lid off there. It wasn't coming out fast enough for me. If you notice the light there, it keeps it going lower and lower there. We're cooking it on Monday. Today's the eclipse there. The light just keeps going down lower and lower. It'll be passing through in a few hours. There, a couple hours there. Right now it's raining, so we may not see it at all. We'll be back here in just a minute and we'll flip them over. Alright, it's been 5 minutes, and now what we'll do, flip them over. So look out, Mama, backfiring. Watch out, Daniel, it's backfiring. Alright, we'll be back in 5 minutes and we'll flip them over. Actually, we'll be putting some new ones in. We'll be putting them on the tray, and then we'll be putting them in the oven. We have it at 400 degrees, and it'll be for 30 minutes cooking it. And I'll show you what we're going to do for the creamy garlic butter. Be right back. Alright, I've seared both sides of the chicken for 5 minutes apiece on each side. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put it in the oven at 400 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. And I'll be making the garlic stuff up top here. I'll get it in the oven. I'll show you the next step. Be right back. Alright, we're going to put in a half a tablespoon of minced garlic. Now, make sure you don't burn it. About 20 seconds. Move around here. Get those pieces of chicken. The flavor into the chicken. Now, let's see. There's my chicken. We're going to put in some of Mama's chicken stock she's canned. Oh, a little mess there. I'll have to clean that up. But what we're going to do, we're just going to cook it a little bit. And after a few minutes there, I'll be right back. Now, folks, I messed up on this part here. You were supposed to reduce it down to half, just let it cook down to half of the chicken broth. I didn't do that. I would recommend doing that. Mine may have been more creamier than liquid, but it turned out all good in the end. But I just wanted to let you know what I done and what you should do differently. I just want to let you know. But let's get back to the video here. Alright, now while we're waiting for the chicken stock and all to come to a boil, we're just going to fix some baked beans with our stuff here. We're going to add in some of these hickory brown sugar baked beans. That's a mouthful for me. Going to add in some of these kidney beans Mama canned. There we go. And we got in a thing of navy beans. Alright. And then after we let them cook there, I'll put some barbecue sauce in it. I'll show you the barbecue sauce we got at the store the other day there. I'm anxious to try it there. I think it'll be good. And I'll be back whenever the chicken stock stuff starts boiling. And we'll add in our butter. Be right back. Alright. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add in a chunk of butter. And we'll let that melt. And it's supposed to make it nice and creamy to put over top of our sauce. Or our chicken, I mean. It's a sauce we're making. But what we're going to do, just going to get it all stirred up there. Just going to let it melt. What you're going to do after every one of them melts there, you're just going to keep adding butter. Altogether it calls for 3 tablespoons. You may want to make it more creamier. You may want to make it more. It's up to you. Make it your own. That's what Dad always says. Make it your own. I'll come back here whenever we get all the butter added. Our chicken will be coming out soon, and that's what we'll pour over our chicken. Now, I forgot to add on this part here, you're supposed to add a little bit of lemon juice. We got some, no, it is lemon. I thought it was lime. I'm gonna add in just a little bit. Give a little twang. Okay. Alright, we'll be back whenever we add all the butter up. Bojangles barbecue sauce. I think I told you before what kind of barbecue sauce I'm anxious to try, but I took the thing off. Now what we're going to do, just going to put a little bit in. We'll stir up with our beans. Alright, pan over to the chicken stock, Mama. What we're going to do, I've reduced the heat down. What we're going to do, we're going to take it out and we're going to strain it. And we're just going to pour that sauce over the chicken whenever it comes out. Alright, we'll be back here in just a second. We're going to strain it and we'll show you what it looks like. Alrighty, folks, we cooked ours for 35 minutes. Now I'll show you the sauce over here. It's more like an au jus. It really didn't thicken up any, but what we're going to do, we're just going to pour this over top of the chicken. Alright, now we'll get it plated up. We'll get us some beans on the plate and we'll have Dad taste test it. We'll be back here in just a second. Alright, we got our beans and our chicken plated up. Dad, try you something.
Alrighty. Chicken's good.
Try some beans. Probably hot.
They're good too.
Alrighty,
Good
folks.
job.
Thank you. Alrighty, folks. I want to thank you for watching. If y'all haven't already, please like the video, subscribe, and we'll be seeing you Friday. Thank you again for watching. Have a blessed day. Thank you again for watching.